Hello guys! Good morning! Ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Sobrang lakas. And 30 just woke up. Tapos ang dilim-dilim pa. Diba? Si 30, he wanna go outside but it's raining so hard. Oh, look at the 30. Let's show them outside, my love. Oh, see? You can see outside, ang lakas ng ulan. Yesterday, it's raining too. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kasi, let's open the door. Okay, let's open the door. Kasi, parang ang super init. Tapos, later on, uulan, kikidlat. Oh my God, it's kumikidlat. Ayan, oh. Yung light namin, nag-ano siya. Yeah. Maganda sa mga halaman kasi they like that. Ayan, oh. Super umuulan-ulan. Grabe, oh. Ayan, oh, nag-i-splatter dito kasi ito yung downspout ng water. Ano kayang magandang ilagay dyan? Comment down below po. Okay, let's close the door. 30 wants to go outside. Alam mo naman tong batang to. Sorry, baby, we can't go outside, okay? We can go some other time. You just have to play here inside, okay? Yes? Baby, you want milk? Okay, give me. Where do you want to drink milk again? He always wants to drink milk. Whose baby is like that? Now he is drinking 1% milk, low fat. Hang on, baby. Ayan. Kalat yung mga toys ni 30. Pang ilang bottles na yan, 30? He drink a lot of milk even though his pediatrician said that he's not supposed to be drinking so much. Pero, ayaw niya kasing kumain. Kundi lang yung kinakain niya. So, I have to give him milk. But then, I have to cut it down. I put some water. So, it's like half water, half milk. So, ngayon, 1% milk na yung binibigay ko sa kanya. Right? Right, my love? So, even though you can't go outside and play, you can play here because you have a lot of toys to play, yeah? Pero kahit marami siyang toys, he still wanted to play something different. Ayun, nagkalat na yung mga drums mo. And your other stuff, your mower. Ang dilim, guys. So, yan dyan. Sobrang dilim. Kami lang, dalawa dito sa bahay ngayon. So, walang magawa, kundi nood ng TV, matulog. Pasensya na. Kasi, dito lang naman sa bahay. So, ganyan lang itsura. Diba? Baby, can you show them your beautiful hair? Where's your hair? Yes. And how about your pretty face? How about your nose? Huh? And how about your beautiful eyes? Eyes, yes. And how about your toes? How about your toes? Gonna show you his toes. Oh, very good, my love. And can you give them flying kiss? Flying kiss, everyone. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Okay, baby. Can you give mommy a kiss? Daddy, how about kiss? He's no. He said no. Mommy's gonna cry now. I'm just gonna kiss you, my love.